Hello YouTube family. I got one of my other sons out here cutting the grass for me with a green work lawnmower. It's run by electric. See the cord? It run by electric. It cut good though. Yeah, it gets the job done. I tell you though. You know, I had to get the grass cut, y'all, even though I'm moving next month. I kept my grass and stuff cut, and it don't look right to be on the, be the only house on the street with the grass real tall. And I don't know I'm letting my grass get like that. Y'all can see it's pretty tall though. Look at that. Pretty tall, y'all. Y'all see how it's cutting? Cut good. Alright. Hey. Look at that. It's cutting it down. Look at that. See that? We can lift it up some more. He just got down kind of low so he can make the grass be even. It cut good though. And then when they first came out, I wanted me one. I went to the pawn shop. They had one. I had to buy me a cord though. The cord, stretch them in the house. They do the whole yard. Then they cut the backyard. Look at that. See the cord right there? Come from at the house. All the way around. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna turn back around so I can lift this cord up on. So this is first time cutting with it. See, I know how to use it. I had one of my other sons, he cut all the time with it, so I got to watch him while he cut. Lawnmower, man, I like this little lawnmower. Uh-oh. These are bugs and stuff. I could have cut it, y'all, but my leg be hurting me, you know. I just called him around here to cut it. He came right on around him. Cut it for me. I'm finna get up on it, y'all. Let y'all see how it's cut. Look good. I remember when they first came out. Yeah. Work lawnmower, y'all. Run that electric. Y'all see it plugged up. Yep, this how I put my grass. Oh man. I use this. Better than letting the grass grow up over the house. Wash it off, put it back in the house. We got the little bag on to catch the grass too, but I just didn't put that on there because the grass don't get so full so quick, so. All right. Now, which way you want to start now? Which way you want to start now? Which way you gonna start cutting? Like, come down and go around, or just up and down like that? Huh?
First, so I can make it easy.
Make it easy. Okay.
I'm gonna do a box out here.
You gonna do a box first? Okay, you gonna do a box first. Let me grab this part right here. I think he's going to this side first. He's going to go around like this. That's cool. I guess he got it up high enough. When he get to this tall grass, he going to do it. He going to get 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 it. He's going around in a circle first. I mean, he's making a box. I'm gonna come down here where he's starting out here. He started right there first. Y'all see how he's going? Then he's gonna go around. But I'm gonna go grab this other part right here. That's it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me see. Okay, yeah. Try to knock down a little of this right here. Yeah, see, can't you knock down a little of this up in here? Yeah, just try to knock down some of this. Get down what you can. And you know. Yeah, let me get this brick out the way. Yeah, that's cool. Oh, ain't no taking. I'm coming now. I'm good. You just take me back. It's too late now, baby. I'm gonna come back. Got my thumb right here. Yeah, that thing do good. Look at that. It's gonna rain, y'all. It's gonna rain. I don't want it to be too bad around here. Grass blow up over the house. Nah, I don't want this. Look how tall this grass is. The grass so tall. Look at that. But y'all, I'm gonna come back with another video. I'm just gonna put that right there. He'll get it up. I'm gonna come back with another video when he get through.